might hear me on the radio. Breaker 19, anybody got their ears on?
Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Farms. Check it out. This small package contains a big antenna. This is Radioddity's new antenna. It's the CB-561. And it looks pretty cool. I'm looking forward to putting this on my winter car, the Volvo that I have here. Let's go ahead and get it out and show it to you. Radioddity's really been knocking them out of the park lately. I'll give them credit. They're not playing anymore. They've come out with some great export radios, some great CB radios, and they're just rolling with that. And I think that they're onto something. I'm glad to see companies investing in CB. So what we have here is a really broad-banded antenna, and it mounts on. So I've got it. I made a video on this a while back. I got a Shelby Hamfest in 2023. I picked up a triple magnet mount, massive magnet mount, and the beauty of that is that you can put a 102 whip on it, which is what we did. Well, I'm going to take the whip off of it and replace it with something a little more mild. Not that this is all that mild, but what we have here is I would say that's probably 4 feet, 4.5 feet. Let's see. We'll find out together. How's that? I got the manual here. Now it does come with a couple of Allens for adjustments, a rubber boot, because it comes with this screws into a PL259 connector, or SO, whatever. You know what I'm talking about. The regular CB antenna connection, coaxial connection, which just happens to be the connection that's on the car right now. So that's going to be perfect for it. Screw that onto that, and got a nice solid mount. And you can see it's got a heck of a large coil here, and it's an interesting design, honestly. So this is like brushed aluminum, and there's a big plastic insulator here, and then we have our coil. And then we have a piece here with an adjustment, the Allen adjustment, and then obviously you saw the top part that goes in here as well. So adjustment for whatever part of the band you're looking to get into. The Radioddity CBL, oh my mistake, CBL 561 antenna comes with lower part with built-in PL259 plug, lower metal rod, extension coil, length is... Well, no, wait a minute. That says 17.5 inches, so that's it. The total. Okay, so we'll have to do some math here, all right? 17.5, 12.6, and 29.1. So we'll add those together, and yeah, it's about what I said it would be. All right, so it just also on the back side here, set it up for a specific part of the band, and we can go all the way from 25 megahertz to 30 megahertz with this thing. And it talks about the length here. So 25 megahertz, which is 12 meter, and 26, which is 12. We want to, it has the length of it. It's saying 2.2 feet, 1.88 feet, all the way up to 30. So it tells you how much we're going to trim this thing down or slide it down into the base anyway. Awesome. Well, you know me, I'm the CB radio guy. So I'll be setting this thing up for CB radio use. And through the magic of video editing, I'm going to take you down here to the Volvo, and we're going to check it out. I've got the Volvo down there. I've got the 102 already off. We'll get this thing set up on it, take a look at it, and then we'll see what we can hear on the radio. Let's do it. Well, here it is, all set up on my winter car, my old beater Volvo, and it looks good, man. Now I got the optional 3 mag mount for it, and I just wanted to have that on there so I knew this thing wouldn't go anywhere. But it's got a good look. I've got it tuned up to the right SWR, and I was able to get it down to a 1.2 on channel 20, so that's about perfect. So let's hop in the car, and of course there's been a lot of solar activity, so I'm not sure if we'll hear anything today, but I did want to get this out to you and show you that she's a real beauty. I like it. Let's check it out. All right, hopefully you can still hear me. Got the microphone between me and the radio so you can hear us both. But I'm going to turn it on. I don't know what kind of stuff's going on out there this morning, but we'll check it out. Sounded like I was picking something up on 33. Let's switch on over to sideband.
want to take my number, you can take it. Not really, man. If you want to take the number, you can take it, yes, sir.
46, you are FEMA stands for Migrant Association. FEMA stands for. I didn't carry you on the frequency, come on.
Switch back over to AM here and see what's going on the Super Bowl channel. Wow. Can hear the bleed over.
Windjammer, bang, I'm gone.
Mermaid. Good news, your 40 station. I'm Cowboy right here, right now.
I wonder if 270 got a condition 270.
Those guys are always going crazy. Yeah, 11's a little more quiet than usual. Yeah, picking up some traffic on 23.
Hello, 375, 1309 in the Alamo, standing by.
My desk here at my bar.
All right, well, so lots of, I'm hearing stuff from all over the place, local and far away, but I'm not making the trip this morning. Not sure what that is. I doubt it has anything to do with the antenna, but I am happy to have it on the car. I had the 102 whip on here for a while, and it was just tangling with the trees just a wee bit too much, so I felt like this was a good, compromise. Bigger than a regular antenna, but smaller than the 102. Anyway, I guess I'll leave it at that. I'll leave a link to where you can pick one of these things up, and I will see y'all next time. Take care.